How to switch account on forex.com. Are you guys facing this to switch account on forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To switch account on forex.com, first of all open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, now search for forex.com website. After you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you're logged in, you'll be forwarded to this page where you can see a market. Now just look at the top of your screen where you can see this option for your username. Click on it, this menu icon. After you click on menu icon, you'll be able to see your different accounts. I don't have other accounts, so there is only one account shown on my screen, but if you guys have more than one account, it will be shown at this section. Now just simply select the account that you want to select with. Once you select it, your account will be switched. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna switch your account on forex.com. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.